Hey there guys, in this video we're going to see about the Elif statement in Python, and before that I have already written a blog post on the Elif statement. So the blog post link is in the description box below. Check that also guys. So basically the Elif statement is an option in Python. So I will just show an example in Elif statement. So I'm just going to copy this example and paste it in Tony IDE. I'm performing this example because you will be more familiar with it by doing these practical activities. So you could see that I have added multiple Elif statement, and you could also add as many as Elif statement you want. So basically the Elif statement is option. So firstly the debugger, let's do debugging. So once I start debugging, it's good with the variable a is equal to 2. So I'm just going to step into, and it goes with the if statement. Only if the if statement is correct, then it will go with the elif statement. So the first elif statement, if we can keep it as a option. If the a option is wrong, then it goes with the b option. Okay, and you can't write the elif statement after the else statement. So the elif statement always comes after the if statement guys. Okay, so I'm just going to give step into. So now it is in the elif statement, and it moves to the option B, and you can just come over here and debug it. So I'm using Tony IDE, and you could see it has printed out. So basically the elif statements are just options, and also you can add multiple elif statements, remember this. So that's it for this video, and check this blog post so you will get more information about the elif statement. And that's it for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video guys.